In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove New Outlook and restore Classic Outlook. If you've tried the New Outlook experience and prefer the familiar Classic interface, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch back. We're not uninstalling anything or deleting data. We're simply telling Outlook to return to the Classic desktop view. Your emails, folders, accounts, and calendar items stay right where they are. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main window where you can see your inbox, reading pane, and ribbon. If you have multiple profiles or accounts, just open the one you normally use so the change applies where you expect it. Now look toward the top right corner of the Outlook window. That's where Microsoft places the control for switching between the new and classic experiences. Give the app a moment to finish loading, since the control can appear a few seconds after Outlook starts. Find the toggle labelled New Outlook. It typically looks like a small slider with the label next to it. When the New Outlook is active, this toggle is turned on, often highlighted or coloured. When it's off, it appears dimmer. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing the window, because the toggle can hide when the window is too narrow. Some organizations also control this switch, so if it's missing entirely, you may need to check with your administrator later. Click the toggle to turn it off. Before you do, it's a good idea to save any drafts and finish sending emails, because Outlook will need to restart to complete the change. After you flip the switch, Outlook may show a brief message indicating it's preparing to switch back. Outlook will then ask you to confirm that you want to return to the classic version. This prompt usually explains that the app will close and reopen in classic mode. Your accounts and data will not be removed. Review the message, and when you're ready, choose the option to proceed. Confirm the switch and let Outlook restart. The window will close, and then Outlook will relaunch automatically in the classic interface. You'll notice the traditional ribbon layout and the absence of the New Outlook toggle being turned on. If Outlook doesn't reopen on its own, simply start it from your Start menu or Applications folder. You can always come back to the same toggle in the top right corner if you decide to try the New Outlook again later. And that's it. You've successfully switched from New Outlook back to Classic Outlook quickly and safely. If you don't see the toggle, make sure your app is up to date, and remember that some work or school accounts manage this setting centrally.